Lab number 6, project 22.1, 4x4 matrix keypad. We have the Raspberry Pi, the matrix keypad, and as usual we have our code running on Thunny. We have made some changes to arm and disarm the alarm for the final project. It's going to be a 4-digit code. We're going to hit a run. So the program is starting. Enter 4 digits key. We have the keypad, invalid key. So the code is 2009. We're going to enter it. If we enter the valid key, the valid code, is going to show us that the alarm is armed. Also, the LED turned on. Now, if we want to disarm the alarm, if we press wrong digits, it's going to tell us that it's an invalid digit. We can press 2, 0, invalid. It's telling us which one is the invalid digit. So 2009. The LED is off and it's telling us that we successfully entered code and the alarm is disarmed now. We can arm the alarm again. 2009. LED is on. The alarm is armed. 2009. LED off. Alarm is disarmed.